Welcome back to your semester review. These are skills tests. We are going to solve absolute values and write them in slope-intercept forms, and just to make sure you guys know how to do a lot of these. Okay? All right. Let's take a look. To solve for absolute value, you must have absolute value equal a number before you set up your two solutions. So, if you look at this one right here, you need to set this, isolate x over 2, absolute value of x divided by 2. So what are you going to do? Minus 2, minus 2. So now you have negative x divided by 2, absolute value is equal to negative 3. Okay? Divide both sides by negative 1, so you have absolute value of x divided by 2 is equal to 3. And keep in mind, it has to be a positive number. Alright? Now the next part. Now you're going to set up your two solutions. First one, you write it just like you see. The next one, you're going to have it equal to negative 3. So there's A and there's B. Okay? How do you solve for x? Multiply times 2, times 2. These cancel, so x is equal to 6. By the way, it's not always 6 and negative 6. It's not always a positive and a negative. Okay? This one just happens to work out that way, but that's not always true. So the second solution is x is equal to negative 6. So if I plug 6 into this equation, it's going to work. If I plug negative 6 into this equation, it's going to work. And there you have that. Okay? 2, 3, and 4, I want you guys to try that on your own. By the way, in the last video, I do need to show you a few things, okay? All right. If you hit second matrix and right-click to math, DET is your determinant. Just thought I'd let you know. And don't forget that x to the negative 1 right here is always your inverse. I just want to throw that in when you guys do your matrix. All right, on number 15, you are to write in slope-intercept form. And what does a slope-intercept form look like? Y equals mx plus b. Okay? This is your slope, which is your rate. This is your y-intercept, which is your constant. All right. So the one I want to do is actually, I'll do number 8 right here, just to show you. Now, you could move the x and then the 2, but instead of doing that, I'm going to add 3 to both sides. I'm going to move the y. And guess what you have? Negative x plus 2 is equal to 3y. Okay? Solve for y. Divide each of these by 3. So, y is equal to negative, there's a 1 here, that's why I wanted to do this one, negative x over 3 plus 2/3. And there you have y equals to x plus b. Or, you could write it like this also, y equals negative 1/3 x plus 2/3. And there you have it. Good luck on your test. If you have any questions, please email me. Bye.